Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Apache Superset to IOMETE and create your first visualization. This integration will allow you to analyze your IOMETE data using Superset's powerful visualization tools. Let's sign in into Apache Superset. Click on the Settings button and select Database Connections. Click Add Database and select Apache Hive. Now switch to IOMETE. Click on the Compute to see details. Switch the Connections tab, select Superset option, then click the Copy Connection String. Back in Superset, paste the copied connection string. Now we need to get our access token. Return to IOMETE and click on the access token link. Click to generate new token, give name and expiration day, and click to generate button. Copy the generated token. Now return to Superset and replace access token with newly generated token. Click Test Connection to verify it is working. Great, we can see connection looks good message. Click Connect to finalize. Our new database now appears in database lists. Now let's create a dataset. Switch to Datasets tab and click Add Dataset button. Select our database from the drop-down. Select a schema and table. Now we can see columns from selected table. Click Create Dataset and Create Chart button. Let's start with the bar chart. From the chart type option, select bar chart. For the x-axis, I'll select transaction date. In the metric section, I'll choose amount and the set aggregate function to average. For dimensions, I'll also select amount. Click Create Chart to generate your bar chart visualization. Perfect, we can see our bar chart results. Now let's switch the pie chart. Click the pie chart icon, then click Update Chart to see our new visualization. Perfect, our visualizations are looking great. Click the Save button, give your chart a description name, and save your work. And that's it. You have successfully connected Apache Superset to IOMETE and create your first data visualization. You can now explore your IOMETE data using all of Apache Superset's powerful visualization and dashboard capabilities.